Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the installer software for your specific operating system. So right now, if you had an older version of Mojave or High Sierra, you went to the uninstaller in your applications folder for the display link manager. You watched this video. What we're going to do now is you watch this video, excuse me. You're going to now find out how to access and install these applications. And so if you click right here and go to here, you're going to download all of these, all right? So you're just going to, all of the operating systems are going to download. So you're just going to download it anyway. It's going to download here. Now, the thing is my downloads are going to my desktop, but yours might be going to your downloads folder in your hard drive. I can actually just click right on this, and when I do that, let me minimize this here. Excuse me, I've got a couple things open. And when I do that, it actually gives me a folder. When I double click on this, I have to determine which one of these is mine. When you go there, for example, if you have Mojave, you're going to double click on this, and it's going to ask you to put in your password for your account, and then it's going to restart. Once you do that, you should be good to go. You should go back once your computer has been restarted. Go to your hard drive, go to applications, and go to that display link folder, and you should see an uninstaller in there. But again, you're not going to uninstall it, okay? So that's the process of downloading the drivers for your document station, or your docking station, excuse me. Trying to get a lot done in a short amount of time. And so the docking station needs software to talk to your other devices, and that's what we just did, is we reinstalled it. Hope that helps. If you have any issues, you can contact our help desk request. Thank you for your patience.